In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change ownership in Smartsheet. Changing ownership is important when a project is moving to a new lead, when someone is leaving your organization, or when you just need someone else to manage permissions and sharing. In Smartsheet, the owner has full control over the sheet, so it's worth taking a moment to do this carefully. First, open the Smartsheet project where you want to transfer ownership. Make sure you're logged into the correct account and that you're currently the owner of this sheet or have the necessary permissions. Once the sheet is open in grid view, we're going to move into the sharing and permissions area. Look towards the top of the sheet for the sharing or access controls. You'll see an area that shows who has access to the item or the workspace. Click on the highlighted sharing icon or text to open the access panel. This is where Smartsheet lists everyone who can see or edit the sheet. In the Access panel, you'll see an option that refers to access to everything in the workspace. Click on that. This takes you to the workspace level permissions, which is often where ownership is managed if the sheet is part of a larger project or folder structure. Next, click on the Manage option. This opens a more detailed window showing all users and their permission levels, such as viewer, editor, admin, or owner. Take a moment to confirm that the person you want to make the new owner is already listed and has at least admin-level access. If they're not there, you'll need to add them to the workspace first and give them the appropriate permissions before continuing. Now find the person you want to transfer ownership to and click on the highlighted control next to their name. This will open a small menu of actions for that user. From that menu, select Make Owner. Smartsheet will warn you that you're about to transfer ownership, because once you do this, the new owner will have full control and you may lose some abilities depending on your new role. A confirmation message will appear. Click OK to confirm that you want to proceed with the ownership change. Smartsheet will then update the permissions and assign ownership to the person you selected. Finally, once everything looks correct and the new owner is set, click Done to close the permissions window. Your ownership transfer is now complete, and the new owner can manage sharing, structure, and settings for that Smartsheet project.